Buckle up, rock and roll enthusiasts, because we're about to take a wild ride through the Hard Rock Hotel Cancun, where luxury meets legendary status in the heart of Mexico's stunning Caribbean coast. This isn't your average all-inclusive resort. It's a five-star playground that'll make you feel like a bona fide rock star from the moment you step through its doors. Let's kick things off with the accommodations that'll be your personal backstage pass to paradise. The Hard Rock Hotel Cancun doesn't do ordinary. Every room is designed to make you feel like you're on top of the charts. From deluxe rooms to swanky suites, each space is a hit single in its own right. Picture this: Italian porcelain floors that'll have you moonwalking to the minibar, teakwood furnishings that bring a touch of earthy elegance, and hydro spa tubs perfect for soaking away the day's adventures or preparing for a night of partying. But wait, there's more. Every room comes with a balcony offering views that'll inspire power ballads. Whether you're gazing out at the endless blue of the Caribbean Sea or the serene waters of Laguna Nichupt, you're in for a visual treat that'll have you reaching for your air guitar. And for those who want to take their stay to 11, the concierge-level rooms are where it's at. We're talking premium liquor dispensers, pillow menus that'll make you question why you ever settled for just one type of pillow, and aromatherapy options to set the mood for relaxation or romance. Now let's talk amenities, because this place is loaded like a greatest hits album. Flat screen TVs? Check. Wi-Fi that actually works? You bet. Luxury toiletries that'll make you want to steal, carefully pack, in your suitcase? Absolutely. And let's not forget the piece de resistance. Those hydro spa tubs that are big enough to fit you and your entire airband. Alright, time to fuel up at the hotel's world-class restaurants, because even rock stars need to eat. The Hard Rock Hotel Cancun boasts 6 restaurants that are like a culinary world tour. We're talking Mexican cuisine that'll have you shouting Olé between bites, Asian flavors that hit all the right notes, and international dishes that are like a gastronomic concert for your taste buds. Each restaurant is a headliner in its own right, with highly acclaimed chefs working their magic behind the scenes. It's like having a backstage pass to some of the best food in Cancun. And here's a pro tip. While most spots are first come, first served, you'll want to book ahead for the hibachi table at Zen Restaurant. It's hotter than front row tickets to your favorite band. But the culinary journey doesn't stop there. The hotel hosts themed parties and concerts that'll keep your taste buds dancing all night long. And let's not forget the bars, because what's a rock and roll experience without a little liquid courage? From swim-up bars where you can sip cocktails without ever leaving the pool to chic lounges perfect for pre-show drinks or after-party mingling, there's a spot for every mood and every hour of the day. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic wonderland that is the Hard Rock Hotel Cancun's pool scene. This place doesn't just have a pool, it has a whole lineup of pools that would make Poseidon jealous. We're talking infinity pools that seem to melt into the horizon, adults-only areas for when you need a break from the mini rockers, and swim-up bars that let you stay hydrated in more ways than one, without ever having to leave the water. The pools are like the main stage of the resort, complete with poolside service that'll make you feel like a VIP. Lounge on a sunbed, work on your tan, or join in on the pool activities. It's your show, you're the star. And when you're ready for a change of scenery, just strut your stuff down to the 492-foot sandy beach. It's like nature's own mosh pit, but with significantly less shoving and way more relaxation. At the beach, you can try your hand at various water sports, because nothing says rock star like attempting to windsurf for the first time, right? And don't worry about bringing your own gear. The hotel's got you covered with loungers, umbrellas, and towel service. It's all about living the high life without lifting a finger, unless it's to signal for another piña colada. Now, let's talk about keeping that rock-hard bod in shape. The fitness center at Hard Rock Hotel Cancun is equipped with enough modern cardio and strength training equipment to make even the most dedicated gym rat happy. It's like a backstage warm-up area, but instead of vocal exercises, you're pumping iron and crushing calories. And for those who prefer their workouts with a bit more guidance, personal training and fitness classes might be available, because even rock stars need a little help staying in tour shape. But let's face it, sometimes the rock and roll lifestyle can take its toll. That's where the spa comes in, ready to pamper you back to peak performance, offering a variety of treatments including massages, facials, and signature therapies. It's like a reset button for your body and soul. Imagine melting away the stress in the sauna or steam room, or finding your zen in the relaxation areas. It's the perfect way to recover from a night of partying or prepare for the next one. For the little rock stars in training, Hard Rock Hotel Cancun doesn't disappoint. While specific details about the kids' club are as elusive as the meaning behind some rock lyrics, you can bet your bottom dollar that there are plenty of activities to keep the young ones entertained. After all, this is a place that knows how to cater to all ages, ensuring that everyone from tiny tots to teenagers has a chance to feel like a superstar. And when you're ready to explore beyond the hotel's star-studded confines, Cancun's Hotel Zone is your oyster. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find shopping centers where you can indulge in some retail therapy. Because what's a rock star without a killer wardrobe? The Cancun International Airport is a mere 20 minutes away, making your grand entrance or exit a breeze. For those looking to add a little culture to their rock and roll vacation, Mayan ruins and eco-parks are accessible via tours. It's like adding an unplugged session to your electric performance, a chance to connect with the history and nature of the area. And if you're not sure how to get around, don't sweat it. Taxis, shuttle services, and hotel-organized tours are all at your disposal, ready to whisk you away to your next adventure. Now, let's break it down and give you the backstage scoop on what makes Hard Rock Hotel Cancun a chart topper. This place consistently rocks the ratings, scoring high marks on both Booking.com and TripAdvisor. We're talking 8.5 out of 10 and 4.5 out of 5 stars, respectively. That's like platinum album status in the world of hotels. Guests rave about the beachfront location, which is prime real estate in Cancun's Hotel Zone. The food quality gets standing ovations, and the entertainment? Let's just say it's more Bohemian Rhapsody than Wonderwall. Epic and unforgettable. Of course, no hotel is without its B-sides. Some guests mention challenges with restaurant reservations and the occasional service delay during peak seasons. But hey, even the biggest bands have to deal with sold-out shows and enthusiastic crowds, right? What really sets Hard Rock Hotel Cancun apart is its ability to blend luxury with laid-back cool. It's like wearing a designer suit with sneakers, effortlessly stylish and comfortable at the same time. The rockstar theme isn't just a gimmick. It's woven into every aspect of the experience, from the decor to the activities. Where else can you lounge in a hydro spa tub, attend a world-class concert, and then retire to a room that makes you feel like you're on a world tour? And let's not forget about the events and conference facilities. With 60,000 square feet of space, this place is ready to host everything from intimate acoustic sets to full-blown arena shows. It's perfect for weddings, corporate events, or just a really big birthday bash. The possibilities are as endless as a prog rock guitar solo. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.